Hi guys! For today's video, we will talk about trigonometric equation or how to solve a trigonometric equation. I have an example here. Find x. We have an equation of 2 cos x plus 1 is it equal to 0. First thing we do to solve this trigonometric equation is to equate this equation. So we have 2 cos x is equal to negative 1, and that's the first thing we do. Second thing is to divide both sides by 2 to canceling. So we have to cancel out, and write, and so we have cos x is equal to negative 1 over 2. So how to find x? How to find x is the value of x we need to use, or we need to look in the unit circle. So the value of x, we have x is equal to 2 pi over 3. Then we have 4 pi over 3. And this is it. This is our final answer. So that's all guys. Thank you.